Life is full of uncertainties. Remember, there will always be a sunrise after every sunset. So don't lose hope. The beautiful thing about today is that you get the chance to make it better than yesterday. Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Keep spreading positivity wherever you go. Everyone is unique in their own way, in a different and beautiful way. Appreciate each other. It will be a wonderful and beautiful world. Wish you a very, very happy and beautiful good morning.